place. Chapter 1. The smallest lie, the word printed on the front of every ad. Free. Free account. No monthly fee, no minimum balance. You've seen this on billboards, on bank websites, in commercials between football games. You've seen it while scrolling through social media videos, and almost none of it is true. At most major banks, what a free account actually means is this: free as long as you behave exactly the way we want you to. Maintain a minimum balance of $1,500 per month. Make at least $500 in regular direct deposits every month. Don't request a paper statement. Don't let your account go inactive. Break any one of these rules, just one, and the meter starts running. Major bank account opening documents typically include 40 different fee line items. That document you signed but never read. Here's the math. A customer who violates just one condition, say they couldn't make their direct deposit for 2 months because they changed jobs, pays roughly $144 that year for their free account. Free doesn't mean free. It means free as long as you do everything right. The moment you don't, the bank starts collecting, and they've been waiting for that moment since the day you opened the account.